song about my two neighbors about a quarter of a mile away from here. Both of them died driving their tractor, their old farm tractor. Mac Grozer and Jim Napier. When Jim Napier died, I wrote a song about him called The Tractor Driving Man. So I'm going to write this one. It's about Jim Napier, about Mac Grozer. He just died maybe 3 weeks ago. I tried to write a song and couldn't do it, but this song came to me about 2 o'clock this morning. The chords, the melody, and all the words. Mac Grozer died just like Jim Napier on his tractor near his home. Then the angels they called, "Fear not, Mac, you're welcome home. Here's your wings for your journey to that land not made by man. We'll say Jesus and his glory in your mansion in that land." All your friends and your neighbors and your loved ones wait for you. There's gonna be a celebration. Jesus planned it just for you. Grozer died just like Jim Napier on his tractor near his home. Then the angels they called, "Fear not, Mac, you're welcome home. Here's your wings for your journey to that land not made by man. You'll see Jesus in his glory in that mansion, in that land." Here's your wings for your journey to that land made by man. We've seen